Question 23. Prove that volume of largest cone inscribed in sphere of radius r is 8/27 of the volume of sphere. We have to prove 8/27 of the volume of a sphere. So this is a sphere and inscribed in it a cone. So the radius of cone is r, height is h of cone. This is center of the sphere O. This is radius r. This is also r. So this is A and this is B. So this is total is height. Then what is the distance of this? OA. OA is h minus capital R. Now let R and H be radius of cone and radius and height of cone, and R be radius of sphere. Now in right triangle OAB, we can say that r square is equal to Pythagoras square is equal to perpendicular square base square plus perpendicular square. This is equation 1. From now you have to prove volume of cone, largest cone is maximum, largest cone. So volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. This you have to prove largest. So double differentiation of volume of cone is negative. So you can see here we remove, there are two variables r and h, remove this r square. Putting the value of r square, you will get v is equal to 1/3 pi. This is equation 2. Now what is the value of r square? R square you can see here r square is capital R square minus h minus r square. Put it here, you will get pi r capital R square minus h minus r whole square into h. Now solve this. V is equal to 1/3 pi r square. A minus b whole square, expand is on outside is minus, so it is minus h square minus r square plus 2hr into h. This r square cancel out, so v is equal to 1/3 pi. Now it is minus h cube and plus 2h square r. Now differentiate with respect to h. R is a constant, so differentiate with respect to h. dv by dh is equal to 1/3 pi minus 3h square plus 4hr. Now dv by dh is equal to 0, so you will get 3h minus 3h square plus 4hr is equal to 0. So 4hr इसको उधर ले जाइए, 3h square this a cancel out, so h is equal to 4r/3. 4r/3 we have to find double differentiate at h is equal to 4r/3. So d2v by dh square is 1/3 pi bracket minus 6h plus 4r. putting the value of minus 6h, so 1 upon 3 pi minus 6 into 4r upon 3 plus 4r. So it is 3 to the 8 minus 4hr. So 1 upon 3 pi, it is minus 8 minus 8r. So it is negative. So it is negative. So we see that d2v by dh square is negative less than 0. So volume is maximum at the largest at h is equal to 4r upon 3. So this you can put in equation. This you can put in equation 3. This you can put in equation 3. You will get required result. Put in 3. Put in 3. We get, so h is equal to 4r upon 3. Put in equation 3. So I can put it here. V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi bracket minus h cube minus 4r upon 3 whole cube plus 2 इधर h square 4r upon 3 whole square into r. So solve it. 1 upon 3 pi, it is minus 4 into 4 into 4 minus 64r cube upon 27. It is 4 into 4 16 is a 48 upon 9 r cube. 4 for the 16, 16 to the 32, 16 to the 32. Now take LCM. 1 upon 3 pi, 27 is the LCM. So minus 64 r cube plus 32 into 9 3 is a 3. So it is 9 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 32 को, तो 3 2 जा 6 and 96 r cube. Now it becomes 32. 1 upon 3 pi into 32 r cube upon 27. 32 को आप लिख दीजिए 8 into 4. So it is 8 upon 27 bracket 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So this implies 8 upon 27 is into volume of, this is volume of, this you prove.